Hello everyone. Today I want to share my views on maths topic and today's topic is number system. But before starting the topic of number system, I want to say that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share my videos also. Okay, so let's start the topic. It's my first topic of maths and I have thought that you like my video of maths. Okay, so let's start the topic number system. What is the number system? First of all, introduction. Here I want to describe what is number system. What is number system? A numerical system or system of numeration is a writing system. It is a writing system for what? For expressing numbers. How to write numbers, how to express numbers. That is a mathematical notation. It is a mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set using digit to other symbol in a consistent manner. It means that it is a mathematical notation, okay, for representing numbers. For representing its main motive to represent numbers of a given set and using digits or symbols in a consistent manner. Okay, so numerical system or number system is a writing system for expressing numbers, or it is a mathematical notation for representing number for a given set or other symbols in a consistent manner. Okay, so it is to represent a useful set of numbers. For example, all integers. It means that all rational numbers or all integers are included in number system. Okay, so it is a number system. And basis. What are the bases of number system? There are many type of bases of number system. Okay, so the base of a number system is referred to as radix. There are many number system. Okay, as I said earlier that there are many bases of number of systems. Commonly used the bases of number system are binary number system, base 2, octal number system, base 8, and decimal number system, base 10, and hexadecimal number system, base 16. Okay, now I have to describe these bases of number system. First of all, number 1, binary number system. What is binary number system? A binary number system is a number expressed in the base 2. Numerical system or binary number system, a method of mathematical expression which was only the symbol, typically 0 or 1. Okay, it means that it is expressed as a base 2 and the number 2 symbols are come in binary number system is 0 and 1. Okay, it's very important. It's a question of 1 marks in examination point of view. Okay, and the base 2 numerical system is a positional rotation with the radix of 2. It means that it is a positional rotation with the radix of 2. Each digit is referred to a bit. It means that the number 2 is very important in binary number system. Base 2. Binary number system is expressed as a base 2 and there are 2 symbols in binary number system, 0 and 1. And base 2 numerical system is a positional rotation. It is a positional rotation with the radix of 2. Each digit is referred to a bit. Okay. Now, who invented the binary number system? Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Who invented the binary number system? Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Okay, now one of the most and avant-garde mathematician of the 17th century. It means that Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz was the greatest mathematician of 17th century and he invented a binary number system and showed it could be used in a primitive calculating machine. It means that binary number system could be used in a primitive calculative machine. It can be used in a primitive calculating machine. Now, how the binary number system is used in a computer science. Okay, it's a very important. Computer uses binary, the digit 0 and 1. It means that we use in computer binary 0 and 1 digit. For why? To store data. To store data. A binary digit or bit is the smallest unit of data in computing. Okay, so it's a question of 1 marks that what is a bit or what is a binary digit? A binary digit or bit is the smallest unit of data in computing. It means that it is the smallest unit of data in a computing or computer. Okay, so sometime question has come, which is the smallest unit of data in computing? Binary digit or bit. Okay, it is represented by a 0 or 1. It means that binary number system in computer science is represented as 0 or 1. Binary numbers are made up of binary digit bits. It is also called bits. For example, binary number 1001. Okay, now the next one is octal number system. What is octal number system? Base 8. Base 8. I want to say that if you are the first viewer of my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my video and like my video also. Now I will start the next point. Octal number system, base 8. What is octal number system? Octal number system, or oct for short, is the base 8 number system. Base 8, it means that 8 is a very important number in octal number system. Okay, and uses these digits 0 to 7. In it, 0 to 7 digits are very useful. That is to say, 10 represents 8 in decimal and 100 represents 64 in decimal. Okay, so octal number system means base 8. It is very important and uses the digit 0 to 7. Okay, it means that to say 10 represent 8 in decimal and 100 represent 64 in decimal. Now here I have some questions of octal number system. Okay, how is octal number system is calculated? In decimal to binary, we divide the numbers by 2. Okay, we divide by 2 number by 2. In decimal to hexadecimal, we divide the number by 16. It means that if we want to in decimal to binary, if we want to change in binary to decimal, okay, then we divide the number by 2. If we want to change the decimal in binary, then we have to divide by 2. And in decimal to hexadecimal, if we want to change the decimal into hexadecimal, we divide the number by 16. In case of decimal to octal, if we want to change the decimal number to octal number, then we divide the number by 8 and write the remainders in the reverse order. It means that in binary we divide by 2, in hexadecimal we divide by 16, and in octal number system we divide by 8. Okay, so it is the octal number system is calculated like that. And question number 2, what is the use of octal number? The octal number system is widely used in computer application sector. The octal number system is widely used in computer application sectors. All the modern generation computing system use 16-bit, 32-bit or 64-bit. It means that in modern generation computing system, 16-bit, 32-bit or 64-bit word, which is further divided into 8-bit. It means that here the question has arisen that which bits are used in octal number system, which bits are used in modern generation computing system, 16-bit, 32-bit or 64-bit words, which is further divided into 8-bit, which is further divided into 8-bit. Okay, now words also in the aviation sector, the octal numbers are used in the form of code. It means that 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit words is used in modern computing system, and which is changed into 8-bit after some time. Okay, now the third one is decimal number system. The decimal number system is the standard system for denoting integers and non-integer number. It means that to denote integer and non-integer number, Okay, to describe integer and non-integer number, it is the called the decimal number system. It is a standard system for denoting integer and non-integer number. Okay, it is an extension of non-integer number of Hindu-Arabic numerical system. These are some important points that I have described in my another video, that what are integer, what are non-integer, and what are Hindu-Arabic numerical system. These are very important topic in maths, as you all know. Okay, for the extension of the non-integer number of the Hindu Arabic numerical system, decimal number system is very important. Okay, and to denote integer and non-integer number, decimal number system is called like that. And the way of denoting numbers in the decimal system is often referred to as decimal notation. Okay, so decimal number system is referred as, it is a standard system for denoting integer and non-integer number. Finally that. Okay, and for the extension of non-integer number of the Hindu-Arabic number system. Okay, it is a way of denoting number in the decimal system. Okay, how to simple number is changed into the decimal system. It's like that. Okay, so now maths, in how we use decimal in maths. Decimal are based on the preceding power of 10. It's the power of 10. How to divide by 10, how to divide by 100, how to divide it by 1000. It's when we want to change the in decimal form in any number, then we have to divide by 10, 100, 1000, like that, 10,000, from any digit. Then we move from left to right. We have to move from left to right. The place value of digit gets divided by 10. When we have to move from left to right, then the place value of digit gets divided by 10. Okay, it means that when we have to move from left to right, we have to divide by 10 the place value of digit. And decimal place value determines the 10th, 100th and 1000th. Decimal place value determines how 10th, 100th and 1000th. Okay, when we have to describe the decimal place value, determines the decimal place value, we have to describe as a 10th, 100th and 1000th. A 10th means 1/10, a 100th means 1/100th, a 1000th means 1000. It means 1/10, 1/100 and 1/1000. Okay, like that. In decimal point it is 0.1, in 100 0.01, in 1000 0.001, like that. Okay, so what is decimal system in physics? It's very important. What is decimal system in physics? It is number system that uses a notation in which each number is expressed in base of 10, that I have described earlier, that it is expressed as by 10. It is divided by 10 by one of the first 9 integer or 0 in each place, letting each place value by a power of 10:2, or system of measurement or currency in which the basic unit increased by power of 10. It is in physics, decimal means power of 10. Okay, so in which the basic unit increased by the power of 10. So decimal system in physics means a number system that uses a notation in which each number is expressed in base 10 by using one of the first 9 integer or 0 in each place. First 9 integer we used, or 0 in each place, and letting each place value of a power of 10:2. Okay, we use the place value of a power 10:2, or a system of measurement or currency in which the basic unit is increased by the power of 10. It means that basic unit increased by the power of 10. Okay, like that. So it is the decimal system in physics. Number 4, hexadecimal number system. Earlier I have described decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system. Now I have a description of hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system is a type of number system that has a base value equal to 16. It means that any digit, it has a base value of 16. That a binary number system has a base value of 2. Octal number system is a base value of 8. Decimal number system is a base value divided by any digit of 10, 100 and 1000. And so like that, hexadecimal number system is a base value equal to 16. It is also pronounced sometime as a hex. Hexadecimal number system is a type of number system that is a base value of 16. It is a pronounced sometimes as hex. Hexadecimal number system are represented by only 16 symbols. It has only 16 symbols. These symbols are values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the 16 symbols that we used in any number. Okay, so each digit represent a decimal value. In hexadecimal number system, each digit represent a decimal value. So I have some questions I have some questions, important questions related to the topic binary number system, hexadecimal number system, decimal number system, like that. Who invented decimal number system? Decimal fractions has already been introduced by the Flemish mathematician Simon Stevin. In 1586, by his notation was welding. It means that decimal fraction or decimal number system was introduced by the Flemish mathematician Simon Stevin. Simon Stevin in 1586. I repeat it, Simon Stevin in 1586. Okay. The use of point as represent as separates occurred frequently in the construction. Just Burgi, the Swiss mathematician between 1603 and 1611, independently invented a system. The use of point. First of all, decimal fraction was introduced by Simon Stevin, and the use of point as a separator occurs frequently in construction. Who? Just Burgi, who is Swiss mathematician. It means that the point is used in as a decimal in any digit is invented by a Just Burgi, the Swiss mathematician between 1603 and 1611, independently invented a system. Okay, so question number 2. Who discovered hexadecimal number system? In 1859, Nystrom proposed a hexadecimal base 16 system. Who discovered hexadecimal number system? Who discovered hexadecimal number system? So, in 1859, Nystrom proposed a hexadecimal base 16 system of notation, arithmetic and metrology called the tonal system. It is also called the tonal system, and in 1859 it was discovered by 1859. And who discovered hexadecimal number system? Nystrom discovered or proposed the hexadecimal base 16 system of notation, arithmetic and metrology called the tonal system. It is also called the tonal system. So Nystrom discovered hexadecimal number system in 1859. Okay. Now the other question is, who invented decimal in India? It's very important. Who invented decimal in India? It is well known that decimal place value system is used first recorded in India, then transmitted to Islamic world and eventually to Europe. Okay. First of all, recorded in India. The decimal place value system was recorded in India and then transmitted to Islamic world and eventually to Europe. And Syrian bishop Severus Sebokht, okay, wrote in the mid 7th century CE about the 9 signs of Indian for representing number. It means that Severus Sebokht wrote in the mid 7th century CE about the 9 signs of Indian for expressing number system. Sometimes question has come, who wrote the 9 signs of Indian for representing number? So it was the Severus Sebokht wrote in the mid 7th century CE about the 9th sign of Indian for expressing numbers. Okay. Now question number 3. Who discovered octal number system? Who discovered octal number system? In 1801, James Anderson criticized the French for basing the metric system on decimal arithmetic. He suggested base 8, for which they coined the term octal. First of all, in 1801, James Anderson criticized the French for basing the metric system. French has invented some base for metric system, and James Anderson criticized the French for basing the metric system in 1801 on decimal arithmetics. Okay, so he suggested base 8. Now James Anderson suggested base 8 for which the coined the term octal. So basically James Anderson coined the term octal. So it was all about the number system, the basis of it is the topic of basis of number system. I have prepared the another video for number system, Indian number system and international number system, also in maths, and in next time I have given the video of Indian number system and international number system. Okay, rational and integers, non-integers, or that type of videos. And so like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel, and thanks.